Let us take one more problem. Consider the grammar with productions. S produces caps A, small b, caps B. A produces small a caps A or epsilon. B produces small a caps B or small b caps B or epsilon. Obtain the leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree for the string A, B, B. So, this is the next problem. How to do the derivation? Let us first do leftmost derivation for the string A, B. So, whenever we are deriving a string, we will see the first symbol here, okay, that is small a. Using this grammar, we have to get that small a, okay. Using this production, we will have to get the small a, and we always start with the start production. S produces AB. If this were to be having multiple choices, then we had to make a selection such that, you know, we would get the first symbol, we would get it as A, but since we do not have a choice, there is only one production, we will have to keep it as it is. S produces A, B, B by putting S produces A, B, B. This is the production, this is the derivation. Now, what do we want? We want small a. So, for A, we will take this A, B, B. By substituting the production, A produces A. Okay. Now, first A we have got, next again we have to get one more A there. From this A, there is a B, but that B is appearing here. Before this B, we have 3 A's. So, using this A, we have already generated one A, we need to generate 2 more A's. So, which is the production that is apt? With this, we can get A, we will keep it as it is, terminals does not produce anything. So, we will have to produce from this A itself. A produces A from this A. B, keep it as it is. So, we have used the same production. Now, look at that string, we have got 2 A's, we need to get a third A. So, A, from this A, we need to get one more A. B, keep it as it is, we are using the same production. Okay. Now, look at the string A, B is there. So, for this A, let us substitute epsilon. A, for this we are substituting epsilon B. By substituting A produces epsilon. Now, A, B. Now, there is one variable B. B is got. We need AB now. We need to get AB. So, one more A we need. So, let us take this production for this. B produces AB. By taking B produces AB. Now, B is there. Now, we need a B. So, let us take this production. For this B, let us put BB. By substituting B produces BB. A, B. We already got the string. Now, we have to get rid of this B. So, which production can we use? B produces epsilon. A, B. Then, we got rid of the B by putting B produces epsilon. So, we got the desired string A, B. Now, let us do the parse tree. The root node is always in the derivation process, whatever is there in the left, the variable is in the left will be the root node. So, S produces A, B. This S is the root node, And in CFG, we should always know the terminals will not produce anything, epsilon will not produce anything, only the variables or the capital letters produce something. Okay? S produces A, B, B. This is taken. Now, we are doing leftmost derivation. A produces AA. This is a terminal. Leave it. So, A produces AA. This is taken. Now, again for this A produces AA. Taken. Now, A produces this A produces A. Taken. A produces epsilon. This A produces epsilon. Done. Now, come to B. This B. B produces, this is done, this is done. B produces AB. B produces AB. B produces B. B produces epsilon. Now, look at all the leaf nodes. The leaf nodes are either the terminal symbols or epsilon. A, epsilon, B, A, B. Now, go from left to right, take all the leaf nodes. A, epsilon, we drop it, we read but drop, we will not write it. Okay. So, what we got? A, drop epsilon, B, B, one more epsilon, don't write it, drop it. So, this is our yield. This is the yield for this grammar. So, we have done the leftmost derivation as well as we have got the yield. So, that is about it. So, now let us see how to do the rightmost derivation. S produces ABB by taking S produces this production. We have taken S produces ABB. S produces, we are doing rightmost derivation. So, we are replacing the rightmost variable. So, which production is apt? We have to get we have to see the right hand side. So, there is one B. After this, we need to take two more, one A, one B. So, we need A, B, correct. So, which is the production which is right? So, we are taking this production. B produces AB here. B produces AB by putting this. Now, we got BA, we need to get a B. So, which production will give us a B? The last B. We have got BA, we need this B, okay, from this B. Look here, which is the production which will give us this? We cannot put this, so we have to put this production. So, B produces, for this B produces BB. B produces BB. Now, we got BAB, there is a B in the end. We have to get rid of this B now. So, which production we will use? We will use epsilon. B produces epsilon. So, B produces epsilon, we get rid of this B. Now, we have A, BAB, right. So, from this A, we have to generate 3 A's. So, we have this A, we have to generate 3 A's. Each step we will generate 1 A. So, BAB, keep it as it is, A produces AA. I got 1 A. So, now A produces AA again, we got the second A. A produces AA again, we got the third A. Now, look at this production, there is a A sitting in between. We already got the string AAA, BAB, but there is a sitting in between. So, how do we eliminate this? We can put A produces epsilon. So, by putting A produces epsilon, we got AAA, BAB. Okay. So, we got the desired string using the rightmost derivation. Now we have to see the productions and then create the parse tree. So always the root node is first production, left hand side will become the root node, which is this S. S produces A, B, B. S produces A, B, B. We are doing RMD, rightmost B. So B produces AB. This B produces A, B. This is done, this is done. B produces BB. B produces BB. So this is also done. B produces epsilon. This is done. Now come to A. A produces AA once. A produces AA twice. A produces AA thrice. A produces epsilon. Done. Now all the leaf nodes are either the terminals or epsilon. Go from left A, epsilon, B, A, B, epsilon. So this is A, B, B. We will not write epsilon in the yield. So leaving the epsilon, we get A, B, which is the required string. So that is about rightmost derivation and the parse tree.